Lesson 31 problem set. Make a math drawing and circle the part you know. Cross out the unknown part. Complete the number sentence and number bond. Kate made 7 cookies. Bill ate some. Now Kate has 5 cookies. How many cookies did Bill eat? They already drew 7 circles for us to represent the 7 cookies Kate made. We know Bill ate some of them, and now Kate has 5 cookies. Let's circle 5 cookies because that's how many we know Kate has. So how many did Bill eat? He ate 1, 2. Bill ate 2 cookies. Let's fill in the number bond. The top of your number bond is your total. How many cookies did we start with all together? Count them now. Did you count every single cookie? You should have counted 7. Bill ate some. Now Kate has 5 cookies. We circled how many we knew Kate has now. How many did we circle? Right, we circled 5. Write 5 in your part of your number bond. And in your other part, we will write how many Bill ate. How many did we cross out? Right, we crossed out 2. Now let's do our subtraction problem. Let's take our number bond numbers and put them in this number sentence. They already put 7, our largest number, the total, in the first spot. 7 subtract, how many did Bill eat? Right, we remember he ate 2. And that left Kate with 5 cookies. 7 subtract 2 equals 5. Let's do number 2. On Monday, Tim had 8 pencils. On Tuesday, he lost some pencils. On Wednesday, he has 4 pencils. How many did Tim lose? Let's draw 8 circles to represent our pencils. Once you have your 8 pencils drawn, we know that he lost some pencils on Tuesday, but on Wednesday he has 4 left over. We know he has 4 left over on Wednesday, so let's circle 4. Now how many did Tim lose? The ones we did not circle represent how many he lost. So how many do we not circle? 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let's go ahead and fill in our number bond. The top one is our total. How many pencils do we have altogether? Right, we had 8. We drew 8 circles. Now how many did we end up with on Wednesday? Yes, we had 4 pencils still. But on Tuesday, we lost some. How many did Tim lose? 4. Let's write our subtraction problem. What number goes in the first spot? Yes, our total. Our total here will go in the first spot. It's our bigger number. 8 subtract, how many did we lose? 4. And that left us with 4 pencils on Wednesday. Number 3. A store had 6 shirts on the rack. Go ahead and draw 6 shirts. Now there are 2 shirts on the rack. We know that there are 2 left over. We need to find out how many were sold. Let's start with our number bond this time. How many did we have altogether? Yes, we started with 6 shirts on the rack. And how many shirts do we have left? 2. How many did we sell? Let's count how many we did not circle. 1, 2, 3, 4. Go ahead and write a 4 in this box. This is called your part. Part, and total. Now how many shirts were sold? We just counted that. What did we count? Yes, 4. Let's do our number sentence. What is our largest number from our number bond? 6 is bigger than 2 and 4. 6 subtract, how many were sold? 4 shirts were sold. And that equals our last number, 2. 6 subtract 4 equals 2. Number 4. There were 9 children at the park. Some children went inside. 5 children stayed. How many children went inside? Let's draw 9 children. So we know we have 9 children at the park. We can go ahead and write that in our number bond, in the total box. Some children went inside. We need to figure this number out. And 5 children stayed. Go ahead and circle 5. And then write it in your number bond. We need to find out this unknown number. How many children went inside? That's what we're finding out. How many did we not circle? Right, we didn't circle 4. Where does that 4 need to go? Yes, it goes in our number bond. And if you saw down here, it says blank children went inside. And you just told me 4. Let's write our number sentence. Try and do this one by yourself. Which number goes first? Look at your number bond for help. You'll use each one of these numbers once. Then you subtract how many went inside. And that will give you your total children that stayed. Did you put a 9 in the front? That's important. It's your biggest number. And subtract how many went inside. We know that 4 went inside. How many is left over? How many children stayed? Yes, 5. And we know that because it's in our number bond. We counted 5 right here. And in our story here, it says 5 children stayed.